after 10. He's not here. I'm going to wait for him today. Today, Jay, you think I'm asleep by now. That's why I will wait for him today. Today, don't worry. He will come and meet me. This man, see time, he never still come back this house. He's not back home. This man is
Hey yo, international boss man, Jamaica. Ya know, this your back and no go tell me. This your back.
My friend,
sorry yo.
calm your storm. At this studio, they cook some track, so my destiny will bounce back.
Which stupid studio? No, tell me, which nonsense studio? With your fake Jamaican chain. Oh God, you just be disgracing me every time. Eh? Oh.
Bombo clap. My studio. Oh boy, I don't know what it